If your engine idles way too fast or surges up and down after you cleaned the carbon out of the intake, you need to perform an electronic idle relearn to fix the computer logic. Your car is idling high because the engine control unit is still trying to run the car as if the intake was dirty and blocked. Over tens of thousands of miles, thick carbon buildup physically stops air from flowing easily past your throttle plate and your intake valves. To keep your car from stalling out, the engine computer learned to hold the throttle blade open at a wider angle than normal to force enough air inside. When you finally scrub that carbon away or use walnut blasting to clean the valves, that wide throttle setting suddenly lets in a massive amount of air that the computer did not expect. It feels like a severe vacuum leak because the physical airflow no longer matches the old memory settings stored in the computer. You cannot usually fix this by just pulling the negative battery cable for 30 minutes. Modern cars use a digital controller area network that saves these settings in a special memory that stays alive even without battery power. The only way to get your idle back to normal is to use a bi-directional scan tool to force an idle air volume learning or a throttle valve closed position learning sequence. Before you start this reset, you must follow some very strict rules or the computer will reject the command. First, you have to get the engine fully warmed up to a normal operating temperature between 158 degrees and 203 degrees Fahrenheit. You must also make sure the transmission is in park and keep the steering wheel pointed perfectly straight in the center. You have to turn off every single electrical item in the car, including the air conditioning, the heaters, the headlights, and the rear window defroster. You also need to check your scan tool to make sure there are no active trouble codes for vacuum leaks or engine misfires. Once you start the process on your tool, the computer will move the throttle blade through its full range of motion to see where the new limits are. It calculates the new air volume and locks in the correct factory idle speed, which is usually between 600 and 750 revolutions per minute. This calibration process usually takes about 10 minutes for the computer to finish its math. If you ignore this step, your engine will keep surging or idling much too high, which puts a lot of extra heat and stress on your brakes and your transmission while you are sitting at a red light. Taking the time to reset the memory ensures the computer and the clean metal parts are finally working together again. This is the only way to stop that high idle after a deep cleaning. You should see the engine speed drop down to that 700 range almost immediately once the tool says the process is complete. If your car is still idling high after a cleaning, tell me what your scan tool says in the comments.